Hey friends, Stephanie here, and I wanted to bring you an idea of something you can make with your Shakeology to keep you on track to your goals, feeling energized and kicking those cravings, but it's not a shake because you've probably mastered those recipes. And if you're new to this group and I just added you because you're joining a different motivational group for the month, welcome. I'm going to do a big introduction later, but so in this group, we share recipes, we share ideas, motivation, and Shakeology is something that is a super versatile product as far as making all kinds of, I feel like there's a shadow under the cabinet, all kinds of, hey Mo, all kinds of amazing things. Well, this is a recipe I just learned and it is unbelievable and fun. My little one just finished his lunch and yes, he ate his veggies, but he asked, what's for dessert? Hold on, I'm gonna make you something. So here's what we're gonna make. We are gonna take, hey Leslie, yo. We're gonna take Greek yogurt. So this is 2% Greek yogurt. You can use whatever you like. So you could use full fat Greek yogurt, you could use 0% fat, whatever you have on hand. And you have to understand one thing as a cook, for me, I measure loosely. So this is a half cup measure. You could do a whole cup. You know what? We might do a whole cup. In fact, let's just do a whole cup. I don't know why I did half. Let's just scoop it out twice because then we can share, right? He doesn't get all this yumminess. All right, so here's maybe a little over a cup. All right, we're gonna put that in a bowl. You can do this. Have y'all ever seen those cups at Anthropologie? They're like measuring bowls. They're so cute. They're like ceramic and they're really pretty. You could do it right in those. I am making a mess. I don't usually video while I'm cooking. Okay. So you got your yogurt in a bowl. And then I'm gonna use, get to lick your fingers, chocolate Shakeology. You could use, if you don't have this, you could make this with cafe latte would be really good. You could use cocoa powder, totally fine. My goal is this. Who likes Reese's peanut butter cups? Totally me. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. When I started drinking Shakeology 5 years ago, I was the girl who was eating Reese's peanut butter cups and or Oreos after breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I know it's hard to believe, but it's true. So it's fun to have some replacements, especially like right now. It's that time, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of powdered peanut butter. Y'all ever use this? This one, PB2 makes a good one. This one was at Sprouts. This is called Mighty Nut powdered peanut butter. Super yummy. And then I'm gonna use some vanilla extract. So I like to use the organic ones. I think there's a heritage one that is really good. And wait for it. Here's my scientific measure. Capful. I have no idea what that is. A little less than a teaspoon, maybe half. And then because I'm trying to duplicate candy, Shakeology has a little bit of sweetness to it, but I'm gonna put a little bit of liquid stevia just to give it a little extra, okay? Because I want it to be something he's like, oh, this is dessert. So I don't know, 3 or 4 drops in there. We can always sweeten it with more. All right, now we're gonna stir it up, get it nice and mixed. This may take a second, but the point here is that, you know, with kids, sometimes it's about, I was about to say tricking. No, it's just about helping them understand that good nutrition comes in a lot of different forms. And I'm kind of using, this is the Stephanie technique. It's the smear and slide. If you get a spoon and you just stir, it's gonna kind of make a mess. So, all right, here we go. We're getting it. All right, we're getting it. But this is not it, okay? This is only the base of the it. And I'm gonna take a very scientific pinky tester, okay? Oh my gosh, that's so good. But here's the part that you're gonna love. Okay, so we've got the base. Again, it's Greek yogurt, powdered peanut butter, chocolate Shakeology, a little bit of stevia, and some vanilla. Then I have measured out, this is Smart Brand. You could get Fiber One. I am really concentrating right now on getting fiber-filled carbohydrates into my diet at the right times. Lunchtime is a great time to do that, and this simple cereal solution is great. If you, and really, I'm not counting macros, and I'm not counting calories, and I'm not counting containers right now, but I am looking at, look at this, dietary fiber, 13 grams. Sugars, 6, so that's good. In we go. Okay, so then we're just gonna blend this in. Promise I'm landing the plane, y'all. And I'm making a little bit of a mess, but that's the sign of a good cook. Somebody who makes a mess. Okay, then we're gonna scoop it like ice cream into a cute little bowl. Oh my gosh, look at this. Hang on. So then he's gonna feel like we went to the ice cream shop, only it's not. It's super yummy, and it's filling, and it's healthy. Boom. Okay, now that looks like the poop emoji, but you know what I'm getting at. Super yummy, filling, healthy. You've got good protein. You don't have a lot of sugar. You've got good fiber. It's gonna keep him full for the whole afternoon, along with drinking lots of water. So you can feed them healthy, love on them, and satisfy your sweet tooth as well. Can you use monk fruit sweetener? Absolutely, that's a great sweetener. There's a lot of alternative sweeteners. What you don't ever want to use is aspartame or sucralose, so stay away from those. But the other stuff is good. Any other questions? Let me know when you try this. It's awesome, and you could do a ton of different flavors with this. You could even do something like this into a little bit of a, maybe if you crushed up some almonds and make kind of a mini crust. I bet if you put it in the freezer, you could make a pie. I know, options are endless. So think outside the shake, and y'all have a great Friday.